Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC for your earbuds LG TONE Free. You have to start by open LG TONE Free application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see them at the device list. Now we have few options how to enable or disable it. So we can use an application or we can use gestures. And let's get started by use the application. So right here the main menu you have control, ambient, sound and ANC, and you need to tap on it. And right here we have both these modes. Now put your earbuds to your ears, and now you can enable ANC by just tap on it. And I just enable it. To disable it you need to use another mode, let's say transparency or normal mode. I click on not use. But as I said previous, we can use gestures to enable it. And right here at the back side, at the top we have these two dots right here and right here, and this one is touch areas, so you need to press and hold on it and you will swap between these modes. So press and hold, and as you can see I just enable it by gesture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!